every single Saturday here, the weather is horrible. Every Saturday, without fail. It's miserable. You can't do anything. You're like stuck inside your house. If it isn't a rainstorm, it's too cold. If it's not too cold, it's crazy wind. Oh, it's miserable. I know my hair like probably looks crazy. It's because the weather's crazy. I'm like trying not to be in a bad mood, but I like to be outside and I like to like go on walks. I can like almost never do that here on the weekends. It's always like a shitty weekend. I am going to run to the market. I'm going to get eggs and yogurt and chocolate chips because I'm going to make chocolate chip muffins. I'm very excited. I love chocolate chip muffins. I made blueberry muffins last week and they were great, but this week I want chocolate. I love chocolate. I was thinking last night, like what my favorite foods are, and it's chocolate, cheese, fruit, and honey. Those are my favorite foods, especially like all together, like on a little plate. Oh, love that. Literally love that. But I thought maybe you'd enjoy baking with me, potentially. If I get rid of this foul mood that I'm in. The weather today here is low 50s and wind, 35-mile-an-hour winds. I'm a small girl. I'm like 5 feet tall. I can't do that. I get like blown over. Can't do it. So we're going just down the street to the market for milk, for the muffins, eggs, chocolate chips. Let's go. I don't really know what jacket to wear. I'm gonna put on some jeans. Hold on. That was genuinely traumatizing. I like legitimately got knocked over as I was trying to turn onto my street to just come home. The city is insane. There was some kind of like multicultural food event going on my street that I had no idea about. Actual matcha kit. And I am very excited. I just got it on Amazon because I I didn't know we were gonna get it. And matcha kits are really expensive. I think this is like the holder for the whisk. It goes there. I have no idea what this is. Use this instead. That's what this is. It's kind of like a little suspicious. How do you get this like thing? Do you take this off? We'll get to that. Very excited to use this tomorrow morning. But the matcha bowl. This is a traditional matcha tea bowl with a pour spout. I am very excited.